yesterday. Hips are finally shrinking. They're just a little over 30, what were they? 36. Just a little over 36 and a half. So they're finally shrinking. They were at 37 forever. Not done. Thighs are about 20 and a quarter. Thighs are getting smaller. Improvement. $129.4, about the same as yesterday. So that's a disappointment, but I'm very happy that my hips are finally starting to shrink. They were being really stubborn. Okay, where's my peach? I was munching on a peach. My breakfast is a peach and some coconut. Big, juicy, organic peach. Now, if you feel like organic is too expensive, you don't have to buy everything organic. And just make sure if you're going to eat the skin directly, you want that to be organic. But anything with a hard rind on it that you peel off, it doesn't necessarily have to be organic. Because you're not going to eat the outer layer anyway that the pesticides are coming in contact with. So, it's still better to buy organic regardless, but you know, like this is not organic. I don't buy everything organic. So, organic usually tastes better too. So, like with the avocado, you peel off the outer layer and you don't eat it. But with the peach, you do eat the outer layer. So you'd want the part that you eat to be organic. So, and like melons, you don't eat the outer rind. Melons don't necessarily have to be organic. But if you're eating the peel directly, you want that to be organic. But you know, if all you have access to, like if you're out somewhere and all they have is fruit that's not organic, I would just peel off the outer layer and eat the inside. You know, it's not, if that's what you have to do. You always want to choose the plant-based option. If non-organic fruit is all you have access to, rather than eating a bunch of unhealthy junk food, I would definitely choose the non-organic fruit and just peel off the outer layer and eat that. Also, I would eat cooked fruits and vegetables over any animal product any day. Absolutely. You always want to choose the plant-based option. So yes, if I had to eat a big pile of cooked beans and cooked rice over animal products, I would definitely eat the cooked beans and rice. Okay? Just, you know, decisions that you make if you have to. But try, if you know you're going to be going somewhere that is not going to have any options for you, bring your own food. You know, bring your own food if you have to. So, grass-fed beef. Doesn't matter what you feed an animal. Animals are always going to contain cholesterol. Doesn't matter if you feed the animal corn or grass or whatever. You're not taking any cholesterol out of the animal's body. So even if you eat grass-fed beef, you're still putting cholesterol in your body. You're still harming your arteries. You're still putting your brain and your heart at risk of not getting adequate blood flow. which results in heart attacks and strokes. Your blood and your heart, your brain and your heart need plenty of blood flow to them to supply oxygen and nutrients and glucose. And when you eat tons of cholesterol all your life, you're gradually blocking your arteries more and more. And people who deny that in this day and age are very amusing to me. I don't know how anyone could say that's not true with a straight face in this day and age when we've had report after report and just mounting evidence that animal meat is not healthy, especially red meat. And some people still say, show me the proof. It's crazy. Grass-fed beef still puts cholesterol in your body. Cholesterol is the waxy substance inside tissues of animals. Even humans have it. And yes, we do need it. That's why our bodies produce it naturally. We don't need to eat it. So when you're eating cholesterol all your life, you're gradually narrowing your arteries. And you're compromising blood flow to your heart and your brain. And all your organs everywhere. That's why people get strokes and heart attacks and all kinds of other problems, because their organs are not getting enough blood because they're so clogged with plaque from eating animal products. When you eat dairy, you're eating cholesterol. When you eat any kind of dead animal, you're eating cholesterol. And it deposits little pockets of fat all over your body because your body doesn't know what to do with it. It's not processed efficiently. That's why people get little fat pockets everywhere. So grass-fed beef, it may be healthier than putting all these crazy chemicals in your body, modern chemicals that are used in today's factory farming procedures. But you're still filling your body with cholesterol. You're still putting your arteries at risk and your heart and your brain. And more than likely carrying extra weight. You're going to be more beefed out looking and more bloated looking when you eat animal products. Clean food keeps you lean and mean. You don't want to be chubby. A lot of people think being a little bit chubby is healthy. It means you're well fed. No. If you logically, fitness professionals, fitness competitors, they have very, very low body fat because that's what is fit. It's like a pickup truck. The more weight you put in the bed of the pickup truck, the slower the pickup truck is going to be and the more power it's going to need to move. And the harder it is on the pickup truck, the more fuel it needs to burn. So you want to be light and efficient. That's what you want your body to be, not heavy. Being chubby is not heavy. Carrying around extra fat is not heavy, not healthy. Okay? So you don't want to be beefy and bloated. You want to be lean and fast and healthy and light. So grass-fed beef is still harmful. Also, I just read about cooked protein the other day. You're putting tons of toxic, dead, unfolded, damaged proteins in your body. I just read the other day that cooked protein is toxic. It clumps together in these little toxic groups of dead molecules. Okay? And if you try to eat raw meat, good luck. Raw meat is very dangerous to eat. So you always have to cook meat to eat it, and cooked food is toxic. Especially cooked animals. So grass-fed beef is not any healthier. You're still filling your body with cholesterol. We don't need to eat cholesterol. Our bodies produce cholesterol naturally. Healthy cholesterol. When you eat cholesterol, it goes into your digestive system. It's like, what is this? This is not food, and it does not get stored efficiently. You will start to get obese if you overeat on meat, if you overeat on animals and dairy products. So I'm going to say it again. Dairy also contains cholesterol. All mammal milk contains cholesterol. Even human milk contains cholesterol. So we get cholesterol when we're babies a little bit, but that's when it stops. We're not supposed to continue ingesting cholesterol into adulthood through eating animals. And like I said, all mammal milk is formulated differently. The molecules are different sizes. There's different levels of different things, all specifically formulated to help that animal grow. Cow milk is not for humans. Cow milk is for calves. So still getting cholesterol when you eat grass-fed beef. It does not matter what you feed the animal. You're still getting cholesterol, and you're still eating cooked toxic protein. And cooked animal fat is not healthy at all either. And you don't need to eat animals to be healthy. The cow you're eating got all of its nutrients from the grass. You don't have to eat the cholesterol-laden cow to get all those plant nutrients. All nutrients really originate from plants. And I'm sure anyone, whether they want to argue about it or not, I'm sure anyone feels much better after they eat a big bowl of fruit rather than a greasy bacon and cheese hamburger. You feel much cleaner after you eat clean. You feel bloated and obese and sickly when you eat animal products. All science and statistics and data aside, you just feel better when you eat clean. I'm sure anyone would agree, even if they want to debate about the grass-fed beef issue. If you eat a big bowl of salad and fruit, raw, clean, you're going to feel light and good and healthy, no stomach aches. Okay? I mean, the proof is in the way you feel. I think that's the best proof, the way you feel after you eat certain things. And your results. You never gain weight on clean food, ever. And you don't want to gain weight. Again, being chubby is not healthy. Okay? So just try it. Just try it. We don't have to kill animals to live. We do not have to kill animals to live. It is not necessary. Okay? And this is our real food right here. Killing animals is sad. It is a horrific sight. There's blood everywhere. It's mentally disturbing. It truly is. Nothing mentally disturbing about beautiful fruit. Also, research for yourself what animal agriculture is doing to the environment. You know, just please educate yourself and everyone around you about it, about these issues. And changing your diet can be a challenge at first, but if you want it bad enough, you'll find a way to do it. I would recommend eating lots of watermelon. Watermelon is what really helps me feel the most full. When I eat watermelon all day, I feel perfectly fine and full. And avocados, if you want something a little more heavy and salty, eat avocados. And if you want something just really thick and tough, coconut. Anything you can find. It's a very minimalistic way of eating. If you're used to having these huge plates of food that's been prepared for hours and hours and all kinds of labor going into one little plate of food, it's much different from that. The way I eat is much different from that. I don't do any food prep. I just grab a peach and eat it. I grab a coconut. So it's definitely much different. But I like eating this way better. It's easier, it's faster, no dishes to clean up, and it's healthier. So research and try it for yourself. Have a good day.